Alright, welcome back everybody. And before starting the Class B division, just give you a glimpse of our Sunday afternoon crowd right here. It's a hot Sunday afternoon right here at Pontevedra Capiz, and thank you so much for joining us. And of course, as you can see, we are jam-packed this afternoon as always, since that this is already the third time that we are racing right here. So thank you so much Pontevedra, and thank you so much Z Points Eco Park. Andyan po kami sa tapat nila. So there we go. This is the third time right here. So hope to be back soon. And yeah, round number 1 still in the Class B division right here. All right, Class B championship. So it's going to be a round robin right here. Yeah, that's Nathan Gustilo and John Christopher Tono. Teammate niya silang dalawa. Ito si John Christopher Tono on your left. On your right is Nathan Gustilo, both from Autoprog. Here we go. This is round robin right here. This is finals of the Class B division, Class B category. Here we go. John Christopher Tono winning this one right here. One win for John Christopher Tono. Alright, so one win already for John Christopher Tono. So I forgot to mention a while ago na kaya nanalo si John Christopher Tono kasi si Nathan, itong number 40 with the green Sentra, nag-jump start. So here we go. Round robin, Cyril Abanilla, 45, the white Civic, the Honda Civic, and was Nathan Gustilo on number 40. Nathan is holding on right here. Who's gonna win this one right here? Clean run right there for Cyril Abanilla. Wow. So Cyril, so Nathan Gustillo is gonna get third place right here. All right, championship run. So from the Tono right here, John Christopher Tono in 3, and of course from Team Billy or TDR number 45, that is Cyril Abanilla. There you go. This is a championship run for your Class B category. Here we go. Of course, already on third is Nathan Gustilo from Autoprog as well. Here we go. Here we Who's gonna take this one right here? Wow, winning this one is Autoprog. Breakout. There's a breakout. Wow, breakout. So breakout was Cyril Abanilla. Wow. There we go.
Cyril Abanilla of Team Billy Racing.
Wow.
Congratulations, winners.